Hey guys, check it out. Today we're reviewing the TOYZ. This is a do-it-yourself transformation 30-piece bullet set inside here for ages 3 and up. Let's get testing this out. So this is everything that you get. It is a very stylish gun. Very nice. You get plenty of bullets. Let's test this out. I do want to point out that you need to put 4 AA batteries inside here, and then once you have the batteries on, you can go ahead and turn it to the on position. That will unlock the full potential and power of this beast. So when you're loading the bullets, this is how they go in. Just like this, you would slide it down in, lock it into place, slide each one down in. And then you're good to go. Then turn on the power. You are ready to go. We got an enemy in the distance! You can't stop us. We got him! Wait, there's still one standing. We'll avenge my fallen comrades. Not if we can help it. You're history. So this thing can definitely shoot very far and very fast. Overall, this is a lot of fun for ages 3 and older. Trust me, you want your son or daughter to have an amazing time. Get this for Christmas or a birthday or as a surprise gift. They'll have fun for months and months. It's a lot of fun even for an adult. So a teen, forgot to mention, love it. But best of all, there's over 100 different assemblies kits that you can buy as well. So you can turn into a sniper, you can have a stand, all kinds of different cool stuff with this. It's pretty awesome.